Hello! In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV. For this video I'm gonna be using Xiaomi Mi 9T and Smart TV Samsung. So, firstly, on remote control, click Source button. Select Screen Mirroring. And now, swipe down notification bar, extend it, and find Cast button. Then click it. Now select your TV. And it's done. What is crucial, both TV and smartphone has to be connected to same Wi-Fi. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.